Lean thinking emerged from the shop floors of Japanese factories and is making its way into the new manufacturing and service environments of today. Organizations are drawn to lean production because lean enables organizations to do more for less. Today businesses work in intensely competitive economies, where the winner takes all. They compete not just for market share and benefit but also for organizational survival. Lean thinking makes production cheaper, better, faster and agile.
Welcome to FORSE Edu, a place where all supply chain enthusiasts come for a weekly dose of knowledge. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you are missing out on value-adding content.
You should compare the possible advantages and costs before engaging in any important effort. Lean implementation is no different in this way. You need to weigh whether or not the advantages of lean manufacturing would outweigh the expense of introducing them. A good understanding of these differences will help you decide whether lean is right for your business or not. We need to be aware of the following possible hurdles. Expense. The old adage takes money to make money also applies here. It takes cash to upgrade equipment and layouts, and also to promote line balances and routine work. Acquiring the right equipment or upgrading the production line costs money, and these costs must be covered before the business can begin to see lean's advantages. It would certainly cost money to investigate and permanently correct issues and error proofing. It also takes an upfront commitment to temporary labor to make the adjustments dictated by lean. This temporarily raises labor expenses as changes are being implemented. Over time, however, these changes would pay for themselves by improvements in efficiency, speed and complaints from consumers. Resistance. People are afraid of inventions, including those which bring improvement. It's a part of life it seems. Most people don't like change. For most workers, putting aside old habits and procedures can be hard. In their comfort zone, everybody wants to live and sees change as a challenge to this. While all employees can give some resistance when attempting to convert to a lean culture, long-term employees will give the most resistance. The trick to overcoming it is to communicate with them regularly and often. Be sure to clarify what the move will offer them individually, as well as what it will provide for the company. Education and communication in order to resolve resistance should also be a primary priority. Startup and upkeep. Initially, you're going to need the facilities to incorporate lean capital. Some efforts are required to understand how you want to apply and where you want to concentrate. In order to enforce the scheme, temporary staff will also be brought in to backfill some of the staff. There will be maintenance that is needed once introduced. Labels, flow tape, and other visual monitors would be destroyed and will require replacement. Parts will be relocated, requiring the regeneration of Kanban cards. Customer demand would likely require supply to be periodically level. However, you can begin to free up the need for too much labor as implementation progresses. As labor is released, some of these individuals can be redeployed to take on maintenance and lean implementation in other areas as well. In conclusion, lean concepts will provide companies and their workers with considerable benefits. The basic lean concepts are not always understood by decision makers. Often, in convincing executives and making PowerPoint presentations, there is more waste generated than lean implementation. The adoption of a lean improvement approach will make a positive difference in the workplace as long as they recognize its advantages and challenges.
Thank you for watching the video. Check out our previous series on case studies from supply chain and operations perspective, and stay tuned to our channel FORSE Edu for a lot more on lean management.